Alright guys, up the plot very briefly. I've not done much gardening lately up the plots. I jarred my back a few weeks back now, and it's just too blooming painful, yeah. I mean, I can't see any point doing any work when it's hurting me, you know what I mean? So I'm going to tip these buckets of spuds out once I find a comfy way of doing it. And I want to get the Kestrel potatoes out of the straw bales. In fact, these are all Kestrel. One is with root Ailsa, this one here, and one is without. So we'll see what difference there is, and I'll do a weighing when I get home. Yeah, it's pretty, this allotment doesn't need much doing to it, to be honest. Just a little bit of tickling around with the hoe now and again. But the bottom one, I've got to get on with it. I'll show you something in a minute. I had some wood chip delivered. I accidentally put it in the wrong place, which may be a godsend to me, because the place I was going to put the soft fruit bushes, that's where I was telling you that the weed membrane is 3 layers thick. And that's going to take so long to get up, and with my back as well. So I'm thinking about maybe putting beds there for now. We'll see. Anyway, let's get on with these spuds. Let's find an easy way of doing this. It's not that bad, but I don't want to risk antagonising it, you know? How's that? Yeah, just about see me. Don't want to see me, I want to see potatoes anyway. Right then, let's get rid of these hulms. Like I said, these are Kestrel. This is without the root Ailsa. Planted on the 28th of March. So here we go then. Yeah, I'll put the potatoes up here, it'll be easiest, won't it? Oh, some nice ones in here. They are nice ones, and these are for a coloured potato class at a show, because I'll wash them off in a bit, but they've got this red marking around the eyes, red purplish colour. Oh, these are some nice ones, these are. Normally much smaller than this, but then again I suppose I do tend to harvest them a bit earlier. Oh, I'm liking the look of some of these. Oh, worm, you can stay in there. Just when you think you've got them all. Very good, very, very good. Right, I'm going to put these in a little basket, give them a hose down, and have a look at them, eh? Oh, there we are then, that's the first lot. So that's without root Ailsa, so I'm going to put those in the grey bag. Okay then, second bucket. This is with root Ailsa. Yes, it is. Ants nest in this one. First impressions, not so many potatoes. Slug eating one there. Loads of ants as well. Have to work quick here, Steve. Okay then, nowhere near as many. Oh, not too bad, only 3 or 4 ant bites. Yeah, not as many I don't think. But we'll have a proper look when we get home. I'm not taking that one home with me. Slugs. And one there as well, waste of time taking that one. Right, okay, that should just about be a decent angle, I think. Right, it's going to be a bit awkward this, because the squash has gone over, but the potatoes are there, look, so there we are. Be a bit awkward for you to see, I'm afraid, guys, for now, but Trying to find the home. There we are, so I can try. Ah, well, the home's come out clean, so that's not much help, is it? You have to have a fertile around. Which is what I was hoping not to do, because it will disturb all the... Ooh, I can see potatoes. Ah, that can come down, can't it? I can put that back up in a minute. There we are. You see that? Yeah. Right, where's how awkward this is. Right, watch the beetroot. Oh, there's some in here. Teeming with life. Ah, there's the seed potato, look. I'll bring your camera around in a minute and just show you what the hole's like. How it's all rotted down. Oh my word. This is one tuber, mind. Right, go and get my camera. I'm going to wash these off and have a look. Okay then. That's not bad from one tuber in the straw bales. That one's got slug damage. Yeah, but look at the rest of them, they're all right, aren't they? And for those of you that were asking what happens to the straw bales as they rot down, well, that's where the potatoes were, look. And I'll tell you what, you can still feel some heat coming out of there. That is brilliant. Right, there's one more here somewhere. Got to find out where it is. It's here somewhere. Right, let's have a route around. There we are. There we go. Oh, look at that. Ah, that's not a... That is a casablanca, I'm sure. Yeah, they're not Kestrel. So here's me thinking both casablancas have rotted away. Oh. Bonus. How's that for a first early? That one is nearly at the edge of the straw. That is my, you see it? There's my finger there. Not. Ah, oh, another one. Oh, some crackers in here. I'm thinking that's about it. Yeah, because that's the edge of the bale there. Let's take some of this out and show you what the straw's like. Gonna make my phone all dirty now. There we are, look. Isn't that well rotted down? Look at it. Oh, that's beautiful. Right, that's got to go back in because I'm going to trail that squash back over there. We've actually got two intertwined here. Where is it? That's a Virginia rooster, and there we are, tromboncino there, look. Yeah. I'll let that sort itself out for a day, then I'll come and tidy it up. Well, there we are, look. That is from one tiny little casablanca seed potato that was honestly was smaller than that. It was smaller than that. God, look at that. That is fantastic. Guess who's doing potatoes in straw bales next year? Okay, then while I'm here, I just want to pick a few more onions. These have got to dry out a little bit before the show. These are the Ailsa Craig again. Can find some that aren't touching each other, so they're good shape. And not to damage the carrots in between as well. Look at these. Yeah. Right, I'm going to put those somewhere because they're getting a bit heavy. Leave those couple there because they're a funny shape. I'll get that dandelion out. Well, as Darth Vader would say, impressive, most impressive. Yeah, not bad, eh? Some decent sized ones there, look. Well, they all are. Ailsa Craig from seed, sown early January, 3rd of January I think it was. I will certainly be doing those again next year. Okay then, what I was saying, there's a pigeon on my wood chip, look. What I was saying about rearranging the plot. Now that left hand side of the wood chip by the runner beans there, just before the dippy, that was put there yesterday. It was supposed to go over there on top of that raised bed because that's where my soft fruit was going to start there and work around. Now I'm going to change my plans now. I'm going to put the soft fruit down here, sort of between that black membrane and that big sort of compost heap there, where the grassy bit is. I'm going to put it along there now, which is probably a better idea. So we'd have raspberries, hard fruity things there, and then soft fruit along there. As you may remember, I told you that under the, well, you can just make out the white buddleia behind the runner beans. Under there is at least 3 layers of weed membrane, 6 inches deep. So there's a layer membrane soil, membrane compost, membrane wood chip or whatever, about 6 inches deep. That means I've got to move all of that to get the soft fruit in. So I'm going to leave that as a plan for later. Alright then, just sorting out some of these potatoes for the show. A week Saturday, what's that, 11 days time, 10 days time, whatever. There's some nice ones here, these Kestrels, and I tell you what, I'm thinking that the ones coming out of the bales, they were as good as the ones in the bucket at least. Got a little bit of scurf on them, you see these little tiny black spots, but they come off anyway. It's a bit of, yeah, there you are, see that? Yeah. Anyway, it just occurred to me. I've got to do the draw for the shoes, haven't I? The Fitville Adventure V1s. So I'm going to nip indoors, set the old thingy up on the Tinternet and do the random comment picker. Pop out in a minute. Okay then, get the page up, plop the URL in the box there. Disable multiple duplicate users, because some people talked 2 or 3 times to me. Yeah, show random thingies, do the sum, which has been a bit taxing that one, but I managed. Grab the comments, and there were 27. Here we go then. Press start. Come on, get over there. Well, congratulations, Sean. I hope you enjoy these shoes. I'll tell you what, they really are comfy. Right, back outside. Well, that didn't take long. Normally I've got to do it a couple of times because I don't subscribe to the comment picker. I'm not paying money for it. It has to go through all the comments, and even the ones overseas and the ones who don't want to be in the competition. So normally, often, I've got to do it again. First time this time. So congratulations to Sean H 1768. Send me a name and address. I'll put the email link below, but it's steve@digwellgreenfingers.co.uk, and they will be on their way to you before the weekend. And just before I sign out today, I want to show you a photo that my son sent me of my grandkids eating the potato rolls that I made, and they gave them a score. Fantastic. And the funny thing was, it was Olivia's birthday actually. That's why I was up there. I took the rolls and the prezi. He told Olivia afterwards that they were made with mashed potato. What was her comment? I don't like mashed potato. Yet she gave them a 9 out of 10. Gotta love kids, haven't you?